to Driven USA, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews. Before we dive into the incredible 2025 Hummer H1 concept, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest automotive content. The 2025 Hummer H1 concept is a bold return of the legendary off-road vehicle, bringing rugged capability with modern technology and luxury. Under the hood, it is expected to feature a powerful engine, possibly a V8, with impressive horsepower and torque figures designed for off-road dominance. The transmission is likely to be an advanced automatic system with multiple gears to provide seamless power delivery across different terrains. With an all-wheel drive system, this Hummer maintains its reputation for conquering challenging landscapes with ease. Inside, the 2025 Hummer H1 concept blends durability with premium materials. Seating capacity is designed for maximum comfort, and depending on the trim level, you might find leather upholstery, heated and cooled seats, and a high-tech infotainment system. Expect a driver-focused cockpit with advanced digital displays, a premium audio system, and smartphone connectivity. The exterior is as aggressive as ever, with a wide stance, high ground clearance, and a bold grille that pays homage to the original H1. Dimensions are expected to be massive, ensuring a commanding presence on the road. Rugged off-road tires and a reinforced body structure enhance durability. Suspension and handling have been upgraded with advanced shocks and an independent suspension system to improve ride quality. Whether tackling rocky trails or cruising on highways, the H1 concept delivers a balanced combination of toughness and control. The braking system includes high-performance disc brakes for superior stopping power, ensuring safety in demanding conditions. Safety remains a priority with multiple airbags, an anti-lock braking system, and electronic stability control. Driver assistance features such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring may also be included, making it safer and more practical for everyday use. For entertainment and convenience, the H1 concept is expected to offer a state-of-the-art infotainment system with GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and voice controls. Other features include power windows, locks, and an optional sunroof for an open-air experience. Beyond the specs, the 2025 Hummer H1 concept may include unique trim packages, premium materials, and exclusive design elements that set it apart from previous models. Whether it's a special grille, high-performance suspension, or off-road accessories, there will likely be options to customize the vehicle for different preferences. If you love rugged performance with cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Hummer H1 concept is a vehicle worth considering. Let us know in the comments what you think about this beast. Don't forget to subscribe to Driven USA for more exciting reviews, and stay tuned for the latest updates in the automotive world. See you in the next video.